Okay, we did a whole house audio installation in this home here using Vailcast throughout. We have our speakers up there. We put one here in the hallway. This is a Vailcast. Everything is controlled nicely through the phone and local if we need to. We can mute it. We can turn up the volume. And we've placed these throughout the home in here. This will be the office in here, and you can see we've got one sitting right there. We got our speakers up there. In here we set up the home theater. We did in-wall speakers. We're using a in-wall sub down there. Our amp is located remotely in another room, but we can control everything from here. Our speakers up there. We've put a Vailcast out on the patio here. It's the same thing, we can adjust the volume. And then we go outside. Speakers up there. And then we can control everything right here, mute if we need to. And control the volume. Again, we can control it all with the wall here, or from the app itself. We've put him in here in the family room, in the dining room as well. We've got our speakers up there. Got our wall control here. In the master bedroom, we did another Vailcast in here. We're going to be putting a TV over here. We've got the Vailcast below that's going to tie into it. And again, get our in-wall speakers there. And we'll be putting a TV over that. And we even did a Vailcast in the master bathroom, in-ceiling speakers. So we've got one on the wall here. Speaker there, and the master closet, we got one as well. So this house is sounds fantastic. Oh, one more room. We even did one in the garage. Up here is our network rack. That's where we've got everything set up. And then we've got our Vailcast in the garage here. We've mounted it in the wall. And we've got our speakers up there. And that is a whole house audio system using Vailcast amp.
Vailcast. Whole home audio should be this easy.